Reduce speed now to 200 knots.
200 knots, 790. Approach FNS 053, after driver.
NS 753, radar service is terminated, contact tower 118.7.
Approach Lufthansa 731.
Lufthansa 731, radar contact, climb 7,000 feet.
Approach Lufthansa 7000, passing 2.5.
Lufthansa 731. Vietnam 790, reduce speed further now to 180 knots.
Reducing 180 knots, Vietnam 790.
2,500.
Cathay 406, left turn 090.
Cathay 406. Vietnam 790, turn right heading 040 to intercept the localizer. Clear IGS approach, report established.
Riding 040, report established, clear the IGS 13, 790.
Lufthansa 731, on leaving 4,000 feet, turn left, track direct to Bicol, maintain 7,000 feet.
Right, 7 out of 4, direct to Bicol, Lufthansa 731, 7,000.
788, good day, descent flight level 150, continue inbound to Tango Delta, you can expect radar vector for the IGS, your number 7. Lufthansa 731, climb now to 6,600 meters.
731, climb to 6,600, 71 dB, 7,000 feet for 6,600 meters.
Vietnam 790, confirm established.
Avion is fully established, 180 knots, Vietnam 790.
Vietnam 790, contact tower now 118.7, radar service is terminated.
117, Charles, happy to you.
Two.
Used by Tango Hotel.
United 2. Lufthansa 731, contact Guangzhou now 126.1, good day.
Good day, 731.